Santa's Workshop, Christmas I Spy. Lizzie the mischievous elf. It was a busy day in Santa's workshop. The elves were trying to get lots of work done before Christmas Eve, and that was only 3 days away. All the elves were busy, all except Lizzie. Lizzie was a mischievous elf who didn't like doing much work. She was hiding behind their toys and decided to cause a bit of trouble for the other elves. Bernard, the organized elf. Bernard was one of those elves who was very organized. He never got anything wrong. He checked everything 10 times to make sure he was right. One day, when Bernard was checking the great long list of things to do in Santa's workshop, he noticed a terrible mistake. Mia, the lonely elf. Mia worked in Santa's workshop. She was usually a hard worker and particularly good at wrapping strangely shaped presents. Lately, she was feeling rather sad and lonely. Her best elf friend, Ginny, had moved away. Since she had gone, Mia didn't think she had any friends. All the other elves laughed together and made plans together, but she had no one now Ginny had moved. Mia needed some friends. Ali, the artistic elf. Ali was a brilliant painter. He loved painting and was the best painter in the workshop. One day, Ali went to his painting set and discovered a terrible thing. All his paintbrushes had been stolen. Oh no, what would Ali do now? Patch, the workshop cat. Patch the cat lived at Santa's workshop. She was a very friendly cat, but also very curious. She was nosy and often seen tiptoeing into places she was not supposed to go. One day, Tizzy the elf called Patch for her tea. Patch didn't come. Tizzy called and called, but still Patch did not come. Tizzy was worried. Where was Patch? Flash, the super elf. Flash worked in Santa's workshop making all the wooden toys and was very good at it. While he worked, he was a quiet elf who kept himself to himself. But Flash had a secret. At night, he became Flash, the super elf. One night in Santa's workshop, the workshop was closed for the night. All was quiet, all was still. Slowly, a tiny tick noise began. Then a low growl could be heard. Next, the creak of wood echoed around the room. Robot began to move very slightly. Lion shook his beautiful mane. Rocking horse began to rock gently. The toys in the workshop were coming to life.